Yeah, this was my dad's 42H that he owned back in the 70s. Rebuilt the engine, ended up selling it to a relative that needed a tractor at the time, and I bought it back in the early 2000s, and it kind of languished in the shed for a few years while I was gone. So I moved back home, got it running again, and bolted up a finish mower behind it. This was one of the Warrior early or later 42. Came originally on steel wheels, has cutoffs on the back. I have a 72-inch bush hog finish mower, triple blade. Now for the 3-point setup, I have just bolted some angle irons to the drawbar and cut up a 3-point arm. So I have the ball flex on the ends here for the pins, and a chain to keep it from going side to side. So I do some ditches and angled areas. Definitely not perfect, but until I can find a 3-point for a reasonable price, this works for mowing around the barnyard and areas I've cleaned up around the farm. I just installed a Pertronix electronic ignition module in here. Got the one for the 6-volt positive ground. Trying to keep this one a little more original, but I want it to start better. The extra air cleaner's always been on there. I have pictures of Dad in the 70s with that, so I'll keep that on there. Some differences from my other 42H. This one has the short filter, mine has a tall. This one has a distributor, my other one has magneto. This one is a pressurized cooling system. The other 42 that's earlier has just the water cap with non-pressurized. What else was different? The switch on this one has off, dim, bright with the regulator. My other one has the low, high, dim, bright cutout regulator. This one has the later style PTO. Mine has the flat against the transmission case PTO. So I haven't started it yet with this new ignition system, so I'm not even sure if it'll go, but we'll try it. Oh, that just runs really nice. Let's go see how the mower works today. real tall grass, it's a first gear deal, and maybe half a swath at a time. Overrunning PTO clutch allows you to stop quickly. I get into some areas